Hi, my name is Tofumi, and I'm a 16 years old tech YouTuber. Yeah, okay, shit. Say YouTuber. Hi, my name is Tofumi, and I'm a tech YouTuber. I'm a 16 years old. Oh, shit. Hi, my name is Tofumi, and I'm a 16 years old tech YouTuber. And my goal for this YouTube channel, Tech Sport, is to deliver to my viewers something other tech YouTubers don't do. Okay, so welcome to Tech Sport, and this channel I'm going to be doing something very unique. So this video, as you are watching it, I'm not going to make any edit except for the audio to improve the audio. Now, moving straight to the point, what this channel is about. You hear the name Tech Sport. It's always about tech reviews, unboxing, stuff like that. To be honest, straight up is that I don't have gadgets. I don't have gadgets to review. Like for example, I'm using a tripod. I'm using my phone, iPhone 11. But it's not that I don't know what to do with my channel. I want to do tech reviews, but I don't have the gadgets to review. I'm not like Mr. Wiz the Boss or MKBH who has gadgets being delivered to them for free just to review. I don't have that privilege. But one thing I'm going to do here that is going to be unique from other tech YouTubers right now is that I'm going to post a kind of message on my community post. And you as a new viewer, I know you're probably thinking, why would I subscribe to this person that's just talking to me? Why am I going to subscribe? Okay, here's the reason to subscribe. Go to my community post, pause this video right now, go to my community post. You will see a message here which says that choose a topic. Now, one thing you need to do is that think of a topic in tech that you like me to talk about based on how I feel about it, my perspective about it. Right now, go to my community post and do that right now, and I'll probably see it on my first video. Thank you.